Good evening to one and all present here. I hope each one of you and your respective family members are doing good and keeping safe. Isn't it astounding that life always finds new ways to surprise us and keep us on our toes? Just like this year 2020, which gave us many opportunities to work on ourselves, spend time with our families, fight this pandemic in our own way, and still our zeals are really high to keep the show running. President John Adams very rightly said, I quote, "If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader." Unquote. Here we are this evening to celebrate the leadership. It is my honor to welcome the school director, Ms. Geeta Sachdeva, our vice principal, Sarabjit Kaur, our admissions director, Ms. Pranitha Verma, parents, dear teachers, and students to this auspicious occasion of the Excelsior American School Investiture Ceremony 2020. Leadership is a quality which is nurtured and has its seed sown in childhood itself. We at Excelsior American School tap the quality of leadership in the early years and try to bring out the best in each so that they too can be great leaders for tomorrow. It is rightly said that leaders are not born, but they are made. And with that thought in mind, may I please request Ms. Geeta Sachdeva to commence this ceremony by lighting the lamp to invoke the blessings of the Almighty and share a few words of wisdoms with us.
Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepa jyoti namostute Deepa jyoti namostute Deepa jyoti namostute.
My dear students, teachers, and respected parents, we've all gathered here today to celebrate a new student council. We've had a rough year, but we do not want our children to miss any opportunity. Student Council of Excelsior American School allows the children to showcase their leadership skills. This is a lifetime opportunity to become part of decision making of the school and understand the running of an organization. I congratulate all the students and their proud parents. My dear children, I want to say that you have been given this responsibility because you worked for it. Your schoolmates and teachers voted for you, elected you because they have trust in you. They are hoping and almost are sure that you are going to do some good work for the school. I am sure you will not let them down. This is a role of great responsibility and you are not to take it lightly. You must now get together online, of course, and think and plan what you can do for the betterment of the student body. You're also role models of all the other students in the school. Hence, it is not only important that you contribute towards the discipline of the school, you also must lead by example. Therefore, you cannot be late for your lessons if you want other children to follow school rules. You cannot ignore your deadlines if you want to promote the philosophy of being self-driven in Excelsior American School. So I am hoping that yes, you will take your role very seriously and we will see great outcome from the Student Council. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Thank you, Ms. Geeta, for always inspiring us. You're truly our role model when we think about leadership. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, right, office, and dignity. A traditional feature of a school eagerly awaited by entire Excelsior American family. Years after years, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. Donning the mantle of responsibility, they all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by rules and regulations of the school. With this enlightening thought, let us initiate this investiture ceremony by honoring the student council members with their respective sashes. Our tradition continues as we request honorable parents to do the honors. To begin, let me introduce you to the Excelsior School Captain, Aryaman Bhutani.
A multifaceted personality and a natural leader, Aryaman has outshined in all roles and responsibilities invested on him over the past year. He has always shown willingness to go beyond the expectations and take up the initiative. Aryaman has demonstrated exceptional capabilities in a range of academic and co-curricular activities. He has also produced excellent projects as a part of his class and coursework. He has been a responsible and impassioned participant of various debate and quiz events. A very well-deserved role as a school captain. Heartiest congratulations, Aryaman. Now, I would request the parents to do the honor.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Aryaman, and thank you so much, parents. Moving up next, we have the Excelsior School Sports Captain, Abhishek Yadav.
Well known by his peers and teachers as one of the most hardworking and sincere students, Abhishek has been a part of the school council for 2 years in a row. Over the years, Abhishek has added many feathers to his cap, both academically as well as in extracurricular activities. Congratulations, Abhishek. I would now request Abhishek's parents to do the honors.
Abhishek, please unmute so that we can see you on the screen, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Congratulations, Abhishek, and thank you so much, parents. Now, I call upon Advik Keshri, the Vice Sports Captain.
Advik shows the mark of a true and passionate sports person who leads with determination and responsibility. Advik is a passionate sports person and has led the professional under-15 level football team as the captain. Advik has inventive ideas about keeping the students active and motivating during the pandemic. Heartiest congratulations, Advik. Congratulations, Mr. Kesari. As Advik is not at home, I would request the house parent to do the honors.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and the heartiest congratulations, Advik. Once all is said and done, writers capture the sense of it in words. Now, I call upon Ananya Maheshwari, the Vice Editor-in-Chief.
Ananya has shown impressive work in both art and creative writing, beaming with imaginative and innovative ideas. Ananya has a natural flair for organizing and managing creative events and teams, and has held leadership roles in similar creative fields in art and writing. Her sense of humor and cheerfulness is certain to keep things upbeat in the editorial team. I would now request Ananya's parents to do the honors.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, parents, and congratulations, Ananya. Now moving on to the house captains and vice captains. First and foremost, we have Aryan Maheshwari, the house captain of House Phoenix.
an active member of the House Phoenix and someone with infallible focus to excel. A true supporter of House who stands strong for his housemates through every challenge and competition, whether it be the union budget debate or creating a gaming website. His valuable contributions have led to many House victories. The aura of calm and confidence that he carries makes envy him. Now, I would request Aryan's parents to do the honors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and heartiest congratulations, Aryan. Now, I call upon Dimple Nagpal, the house captain of House Griffin.
Loved by her housemates and a proud supporter of House Griffin. Dimple has served her house well as the house vice captain last year. Furthermore, she has been promoted to lead her house in the capacity of house captain this year. She is a compassionate leader who also volunteered at an old age home. A warm smile is her invaluable asset. And I would now request the parents of Dimple to do the honors.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and heartiest congratulations, Dimple. Now we have Dhiman Seth, the vice captain of House Phoenix.
Dhiman is a meticulous and a responsible learner with commendable management skills. Vocal in putting across the thoughts and ideas, Dhiman believes in self-discipline. An encouraging companion, he makes sure to keep the fellows along. Driven by curiosity and passionate towards performing to the best of his abilities, he makes sure to stay focused. A badminton enthusiast who displays an interest in both academics and extracurricular activities. Congratulations, Dhiman. So now I would like to request Dhiman's parents to please do the honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations, Dhiman. Next, we have Natasha Rohila, the house vice captain of House Pegasus. Natasha is a natural leader. She takes the initiative in organizing and managing tasks and projects. At the same time, Natasha is compassionate and values others' viewpoints in a team. Natasha is known for her clarity of mind and determination to produce good quality work. She has creative ideas for activities and keeps the spirits high for students. I request Natasha's parents to do the honors.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you so much, parents, and congratulations, Natasha. And last but not the least, we have Kopal Singh, the house vice captain of House Unicorn.
An observant with good oratory skills, Kopal is a passionate drummer. She possesses excellent organizational skills. Kopal enjoys debates and discussions too. She exhibits perseverance towards any task given at hand. With a positive and fresh outlook, she is set to go beyond boundaries and elevate the performance of her house with her creative ideas. Congratulations, Kopal. Now I would request parents of Kopal to do the honors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations, Kopal. Congratulations, students. Can we have a huge round of applause for our newly elected student council members? Let's move ahead with the much awaited ritual of a school oath ceremony. I would request all the students to take the position for the oath ceremony. I request the school captain, Ariman Bhutani, to lead the oath on behalf of our student council members. Now, I would like to call upon our school director, Ms. Geeta Sachdeva, to lead the oath. Ms. Geeta, over to you.
Thank you, Shivam. I hope I'm audible. I Your name?
I, Arvind Bhatani, on the behalf of the Student Council,
Promise that I will
promise that I will
serve my school sincerely.
serve my school sincerely.
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
to be a perfect role model of discipline.
to be a perfect role model of discipline.
I will work actively
I will work actively
to bring laurels
to bring laurels
and glory for my school.
and glory for my school.
I will ensure
I will ensure
that all the students get equal opportunities
that all the students get equal opportunities
to shine and do their best.
to shine and do their best.
As a member of the school student council,
As a member of the school student council,
I will uphold the loyalty to the traditions
I will uphold the loyalty to the traditions
and the ethos of Excelsior American School.
and the ethos of the Excelsior American School.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Geeta and student council members, and you may all sit now. And now, as we approach to the end of the ceremony, may I please request Ms. Sarabjeet to say a few words on this remarkable occasion and encourage our newly elected cabinet members.
Thank you, Ms. Shivam, and heartiest congratulations to our young leaders. And it's such a delight to see all the smiles and, how proud your parents are looking in the cameras. This sight is absolutely delightful. So thank you for being here today to encourage and bless our young leaders. Indeed, a proud moment for all of us. So I'll start by quoting Jack Welch, who said, "Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. But when you become a leader, success is all about growing others." So welcome to the shoes where you are a leader and you shoulder the responsibility of not only bringing the best and performing to the best of your capability, but also to the one around you, to bring out the best in everyone around you. Always remember that leadership is much more than titles, positions, and badges. It is about how much you empower others and how much you influence others to be a better version of themselves. That's true leadership. True leaders do not create followers. They create more leaders. As you embrace the new role, please accept my wholehearted love and blessings. And I would love to see you all shining bright and flying high and make us all proud. To my beloved and very precious members of the newly elected Student Council, I want you to know on this very special day that your thoughts matter. If I can give you one mantra today, I would say dare to dream. And dare to dream big, because that's what it takes to bring the change. That's what it takes to create a legacy. Look at the ripples created by the young leaders like Greta Thunberg, who has become a leading voice, inspiring millions to fight climate change. Another young leader ready for reference is Malala, who took a shot in the head to protect the rights of girls to go to school. Very basic things we take for granted. but these young leaders fought for it. She also went ahead and became the youngest leader to win the Nobel Peace Prize. So if they can do it, so can you. It all starts with a thought. That's why I want you to know they matter. And you and your actions have the power to transform those thoughts in reality. I'm very proud of each one of you, and you have all my love and blessings. And all I can say is try to make a difference, no matter how big or small. Even a smallest of gesture from you, a smallest act of kindness, random kindness, can be enough sometimes to change somebody's life. Never hesitate to do some good deed in your life. So spread a little sunshine and sparkle wherever you go and make us proud. We trust you wholeheartedly and you have our blessings. Thank you so much, and heartiest congratulations to our leaders and their parents once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Your speech is indeed a source of encouragement. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Heartiest congratulations once again to all the council members, and I would like to thank all the parents for their graceful presence today.
Thank you, everyone. And with this, we wrap up our investiture ceremony 2020. We made sure 2020 doesn't end without this ritual that we have in place. Thank you so much for joining us and wishing you happy, healthy, and safe life. Thank you.